Hi, I'm Miss Shelley, and welcome to my science show. Now, some people may say that I'm not exactly a natural-born athlete. But I think if I think critically about the science behind pushes and pulls, that maybe I just might be able to beat Cameraman Dave at a game of air hockey. Nothing but net.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
A push is when you move an object away from you. A pull is when you move an object towards you. Pinball is a great example of pushes and pulls. You start the game by pulling on a lever. When you let go of that lever, it pushes the pinball into the game. Once the pinball is in the game, I'm going to control levers using these buttons here on the side of the game. The levers are going to push that pinball all over the game so I can rack up as many points as possible and get my name on that leaderboard. I have a cause and effect question for you. Now, in case you don't know, cause is when something happens, and the effect is what happens afterwards. Now, in a game of pinball, when a lever pushes on a pinball, is the ball going to move towards the lever or away from the lever? Away from the lever. Strength is how hard or soft you push or pull on an object. Now, in a game like basketball, strength is really important because if I push too softly, the ball's not going to make it to the hoop. But on the other hand, if I push it too hard, I'm going to overshoot the hoop. So I gotta go somewhere in the middle. Let's see. Now it's time for another cause and effect question. If you push softly on a toy car, is that toy car going to go a short distance or a long distance? A short distance. Pushes and pulls can change the direction an object is moving. Direction meaning forwards, backwards, left, right, up, down. In the game of skee-ball, the ball changes directions constantly when it bounces off of the targets. For example, the ball can be rolling in a perfectly straight line, but when it bounces off a target, it might make a hard left or a hard right and miss the target completely. Cause and effect question. If the skee-ball bounces off one of the side walls of the game, is it going to keep moving in a straight line or is it going to change direction? It's going to change direction. Now it's time to put together what I know about pushes, pulls, strength, and direction to try to win that game of air hockey against Cameraman Dave. Let's do this.
Hello, sports fans. What a day it is for hockey. We've got Miss Shelley versus Cameraman Dave. Miss Shelley is clearly on a mission, using her pushes and pulls knowledge to stop the puck and move it slowly left to right, psyching out the goalie that Sports Illustrated called should stick to running camera. She stops the puck, musters up her strength, pulls back, pushes the puck, bounces off the side, and I can't believe it, it's a goal! It's in goal for Miss Shelley!
Woo! Today, we learned about pushes, pulls, strength, and direction. A push is when you move an object away from you. A pull is when you move an object towards you. Strength is how hard or soft you push or pull on an object. And direction is the way an object is moving. You can definitely change the direction of an object with pushes and pulls, just like when I bounced that puck off of the wall and pushed it into Cameraman Dave's net, right?
I won't talk about it.
Oh well. I hope you join me next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Miss Shelley's